How to lose weight with the Beverly Hills Diet Plan. The Beverly Hills Diet is a well-known weight loss plan that gained popularity in the 1980s for its promise of rapid weight loss. Created by Judy Mazel, this diet revolves around the concept of food combining, which is believed to enhance digestion and promote weight loss. The diet's structured approach and focus on natural foods appeal to many, but its methods are often debated. Understanding the Beverly Hills Diet Plan. The Beverly Hills Diet is based on the concept of food combining, which posits that consuming certain foods together can hinder digestion. The plan emphasizes eating foods in specific combinations and in a strict sequence to optimize digestion and metabolism. Key principles of the diet. 1. Phased approach. The diet begins with a strict 35-day plan, introducing specific foods gradually. 2. Fruits first. The initial phase relies heavily on consuming fruits, which are believed to be the easiest to digest. 3. Single food focus. Followers are encouraged to eat one type of food at a time to minimize digestive strain. 4. Proper timing. After consuming a fruit, no other food should be eaten until the fruit has been fully digested, usually 1 to 2 hours. The diet's structured nature creates a calorie deficit and reduces the likelihood of overeating, both contributing to weight loss. How the Beverly Hills Diet promotes weight loss. 1. Calorie restriction. The diet naturally restricts calories due to its heavy reliance on low-calorie fruits and controlled portions of other foods. By eliminating calorie-dense processed foods and focusing on fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins, the body is more likely to enter a calorie deficit essential for weight loss. 2. Improved digestion. The food combining principles aim to enhance digestion by minimizing mixing foods that require different enzymes to break down. While the science behind this is debated, improved digestion may help the body process nutrients more efficiently, potentially aiding weight loss. 3. Reduced water retention. Many fruits included in the diet, such as watermelon and pineapple, have natural diuretic properties. This can help reduce water retention and lead to a noticeable drop in weight, especially during the initial days. 4. Elimination of processed foods. The diet reduces calorie intake by removing processed foods, sugars, and unhealthy fats and supports consuming nutrient-dense options. Tips to lose weight effectively with the Beverly Hills Diet. 1. Follow the phases carefully. The 35-day plan is designed to gradually introduce foods in a sequence that supports digestion and weight loss. Adhere strictly to the sequence to maximize results. 2. Focus on high-fiber fruits. The diet emphasizes fruits, many of which are high in fiber. Fiber supports digestion and promotes satiety, reducing hunger and preventing overeating. 3. Stay hydrated. Proper hydration is crucial for digestion, metabolism, and overall well-being. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially if consuming diuretic fruits like watermelon and pineapple. 4. Avoid overeating. Even though fruits and vegetables are low in calories, overeating can still hinder weight loss. Stick to recommended portions to maintain a calorie deficit. 5. Combine with physical activity. While the diet focuses on food, regular exercise will enhance weight loss results. Activities like walking, yoga, and light strength training can complement the plan without overstressing the body. Sample day on the Beverly Hills Diet. Here's an example of what a day on the Beverly Hills Diet might look like. Breakfast. 1. Fresh pineapple is eaten in unlimited quantities until complete. Mid-morning snack. 1. Watermelon slices should be eaten alone and not combined with other foods. Lunch. 1. A single type of fruit, such as papaya or grapes, is eaten until satisfied. Dinner. 1. A small portion of grilled fish or chicken, introduced later in the plan. 2. Accompanied by a salad made of leafy greens with no added dressings or oils. This simple, structured approach limits calorie intake and ensures compliance with the diet's food combining principles. Benefits of the Beverly Hills Diet for weight loss. 1. Rapid results. The Beverly Hills Diet is designed for quick results, making it appealing to those who want to shed weight quickly. 2. Emphasis on whole foods, focusing on natural, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins promotes a healthier eating pattern. 3. Mindful eating. The strict rules encourage participants to pay closer attention to what and when they eat, potentially fostering long-term mindful eating habits. Challenges of the Beverly Hills Diet. 1. Lack of nutritional balance. The diet's initial phases lack essential nutrients, particularly proteins and healthy fats, critical for muscle maintenance and overall health. 2. Difficulty maintaining long-term. The strict rules and reliance on food combining make the diet challenging to sustain in social settings or daily life. 3. Risk of weight regain. Rapid weight loss often leads to a higher likelihood of regaining weight once the diet is discontinued, especially if old eating habits return. Is the Beverly Hills Diet right for you? Due to its calorie restriction and structured approach, the Beverly Hills Diet can be effective for short-term weight loss. However, its limitations and lack of scientific backing make it less suitable for long-term, sustainable weight management. If you decide to try this diet, it's essential to approach it mindfully. 1. Consult with a healthcare professional or dietitian to ensure you meet your nutritional needs. 2. Use the diet as a short-term tool, not a permanent solution. 3. Transition to a balanced, sustainable eating pattern after completing the plan. Final thoughts. The Beverly Hills Diet is a highly structured plan that can deliver rapid weight loss results when followed correctly. Its emphasis on fruits, natural foods, and mindful eating can jumpstart a weight loss journey. However, the diet's restrictive nature and lack of scientific evidence for its food combining principles make it a less than ideal long-term strategy. For lasting weight loss success, consider using the Beverly Hills Diet as a short-term kickstart while building habits centered around balanced nutrition, regular exercise, and sustainable lifestyle changes. Weight loss is a marathon, not a sprint. The best results come from a plan supporting your physical and emotional well-being. Loudspeaker, let's connect. Share your experience in the comments. Thumbs up like this video and share it with someone looking to like it.